to Empty Pockets, Off-Road, and Overland. In this video, we're going to be talking about exhaust, specifically the exhaust on my 99 XJ. Now, I know there's a ton of these videos on YouTube, either exhaust clips or install videos, but personally, when I was looking for a muffler, I watched just about every single one of those at least once, trying to make the right choice. At the end of the day, I had decided on the Flowmaster Super 40. I thought maybe it would give me the right sound that I was looking for. A little deeper and louder than factory without being too loud. Well, once I got my 8.8 in, I realized that a regular muffler wasn't going to work. It would interfere with the drive line since the pinion yoke is offset to the passenger side. So that kind of left me with one choice, and that's a glass pack. So what we have here is a thrush glass pack from Napa. It measures 25 inches total, and the muffler part itself is 20 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and install this on the Jeep and give you some before and after exhaust clips, and you can make your own decision on how it sounds. So let's get started. So now that exhaust is done, I really like it. It sounds really good. Now we're driving down the road, going about 30. It doesn't drone at all. I'm pretty impressed. I really thought that a glass pack wasn't going to sound very good. The other noise you're hearing is my Trailhead Off-Road cowl intake, and it's pretty loud. So overall, I think it sounds great. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope it helped you make your decision. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.